when the given data is arranged from smallest to the largest, the value of the middle data is the median. Now, I will tell you this with the help of one example. Data, in the previous video I told regarding the data. Let's take an example. Data is given to you 5, 7, 3, 6, 5, 9, 8, 7, and 5. These numbers are called data, and we have to find out the median from this given data. Now, one more step you have to add. In mean, you know that we have add all the data and divided by the number of values. But in this word median, one difference is there, that first of all you have to arrange the data in means order. You can go from smaller to smallest number to the largest number, or largest number to the smallest number. Let's find the solution. First we have to arrange. So I start from smallest to largest. You can arrange this in, from largest to smallest also. 3, 5, 5, 5, 3 fives are there. After that 6, 7, 7, 8, 9. So I have arranged from smallest to largest, means ascending order. This is called ascending order. Now first of all we have to count number of data. So number of data is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so they are 9 in number. So you know that 9 is a odd number. 9 is a odd number. Okay, so 9 is a odd number. So it means the clearly from here the middle term is your answer, because if we will see 1, 2, 3, 4. So these four number and 1, 2, 3, 4. So middle number is coming to you 6. So 6 is your answer. So 6 is your answer. So we will write therefore median is equal to 6. 6 as your answer you have to write. So when the given data means number of data is odd, then the middle term is your answer. And if the data, second example, if the number of data is even, then what to do? It's very easy. Let's take second example. So number is data I am taking 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 7, 7, 9, 10, 12. Sometime it is given arranged also, and sometime it is not arranged. So first step always that you have to arrange the data. So here if I see, this is the descending order, means smallest to largest already given. Now we have to count number of data. Number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they are 10 in number, and you know that 10 is an even number. Even number and odd number, children, you know. So if it is 10 in number, now what we have to do here, we have to take the two middle terms. So two numbers will come in middle. That comes to you 5 and 7. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the middle two numbers are these 5 and 7. So what we have to do, so we will write that median is equal to 5 plus 7 divided by 2. When the two numbers are in the middle, you have to add and divided it by 2. Okay, so what will come? It comes to you this t 12. 12 divided by 2. So 2 6. So 6 is your answer. So median comes to you 6. 5 plus 7 is 12, and we divided with 2. So 2 6 are 12. So this way you can solve your answer easily. When number of data is odd, then middle term is your answer, but it will come when you have arranged the data first. Okay, this is the first step you have to remember. And second, when the number of data is even, then you have to take the middle two terms, add and divided it with 2, you will get your median.